Opening scene. Dynamic animation of microscopic invaders, bacteria, viruses, swirling around, then zooming in on a stylized human body where a small cut appears on the skin. Every second of every day, an invisible war rages inside you. Billions of microscopic invaders, bacteria, viruses, fungi, are relentlessly trying to breach your defenses. But fear not, for you are protected by one of nature's most sophisticated marvels, your immune system. Close-up animation of bacteria entering the cut. Macrophages, depicted as large, somewhat amoeba-like cells, move towards the breach. Imagine a tiny breach, like a cut from a rusty nail. Immediately the alarm sounds, and the first responders, our frontline guards, spring into action. The macrophages. These cellular behemoths are not just scavengers, engulfing up to 100 invaders each, they're also strategists. As they consume the intruders, macrophages release chemical signals, initiating inflammation. This isn't just pain, it's a critical tactical move. Inflammation increases blood flow, bringing more immune cells to the battleground and making it easier for them to navigate the infected tissue. More aggressive, spiky cells, neutrophils, flood into the inflamed area, actively attacking and destroying bacteria, sometimes with visible collateral damage to surrounding, stylized healthy tissue. If the invasion persists, our next wave of defense arrives, the neutrophils. These are the aggressive reinforcements, fighting with such ferocity that they often destroy surrounding healthy tissue in the process. It's a costly battle, and after a few days of relentless fighting, these valiant warriors self-destruct, preventing prolonged damage. A true self-sacrifice for the greater good. Dendritic cells, depicted as curious star-shaped cells, are seen collecting samples, pieces of bacteria from the battleground. They then migrate through stylized lymphatic vessels to a lymph node. But what if these innate defenses aren't enough? Here's where the immune system's intelligence officers come in, the dendritic cells. These remarkable cells don't just fight, they collect evidence. They meticulously gather samples of the invaders, process them, and then embark on a crucial journey to the nearest lymph node. Inside the lymph node, the dendritic cells present their findings to a vast army of waiting recruits, the T cells and B cells, our adaptive immune system. This moment is pivotal. Helper T cells become activated, essentially coordinating the entire immune attack. They activate killer T cells, which are like elite assassins, programmed to hunt down and destroy infected cells. Activated B cells, rapidly multiplying and transforming into plasma cells, start churning out vast quantities of Y-shaped antibody molecules, antibodies shown attaching to bacteria. These antibodies are precision-guided missiles. They neutralize invaders, mark them for destruction by other immune cells, and clump pathogens together, making them easier targets. It's a testament to the immune system's incredible precision and coordination. Eventually, the battle is subsided. The invaders are vanquished. Most of the immune cells, having served their purpose, gracefully exit the stage to conserve resources. But a precious few remain, the memory cells. A visual representation of a memory bank where these cells reside, then a subsequent infection with the same bacteria. Memory cells rapidly activate and produce antibodies or killer cells, quickly clearing the new threat. These memory T cells and B cells are like seasoned veterans, forever remembering the specific enemy they just fought. Should the same pathogen ever try to invade again, these memory cells will launch an incredibly swift and powerful counterattack, often neutralizing the threat before you even feel sick. This is the cornerstone of immunity and the very principle behind vaccinations. Time-lapse showing millions of years of evolution, from simple organisms to complex humans, with immune system components evolving. Then a modern infographic or visual aid explaining a complex immune process.
The immune system's intricate coordination is a testament to millions of years of evolutionary refinement and biological wonder. It's a system of astounding complexity, and it's through visual tools and engaging explanations that we can truly grasp its magnificence, inspiring awe for life's intricacies and promoting public health understanding. Closing scene. A montage of different immune cells working together, ending with a call to appreciate the body's defenses. So, the next time you ward off a cold or heal from a cut, remember the incredible, invisible war raging within you, orchestrated by a system of unparalleled sophistication. Your immune system, the unsung hero of your existence. Opening scene. A mesmerizing abstract animation of swirling data or light particles, then zooming into a human hand, then a single cell, then the nucleus. The camera finally focuses on tightly coiled chromosomes. Look around you. From the towering redwood to the smallest ant, from the intricate patterns on a butterfly's wing to the unique spark in your own eyes, life is a symphony of incredible diversity. But beneath this surface of endless forms lies a universal blueprint, a hidden language written in the very core of every living thing: DNA. What exactly is this mysterious molecule? Let's zoom deep inside a single cell, into its nucleus. Here, tightly packaged structures called chromosomes reside. Unraveling one reveals the star of our show, DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. It's an elegant, spiraling ladder, the iconic double helix. This ladder has two sturdy backbones, and its rungs are formed by pairs of chemical letters called nucleotides. There are 4 of these letters: adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. This precise pairing is crucial. Imagine these letters as a vast, incredibly long instruction manual. The specific sequence of these A's, T's, G's, and C's forms genes. Each gene is a unique set of instructions, a recipe for building something vital, a protein. Proteins are the true workhorses of your body. They build your cells, fight diseases, and carry out countless chemical reactions. One of DNA's most astounding abilities is to replicate itself. When a cell needs to divide, the DNA ladder unzips down the middle. Each half then serves as a template, guiding the assembly of a new